guys, today we're here to weld a steel bumper on the front of this Craftsman lawnmower. That way we can run trees over. I mean, the hood's not doing too good, so I just thought we got some scrap steel laying around. We'll weld some stuff up. So to begin with, we have 2 pieces of angle already cut out. They're clamped on the front. I gotta go find a Sharpie, go mark them holes. The bumper's gonna get just bolted on, and then the rest is gonna get all welded. So I'm gonna go get a Sharpie. So, got myself a Sharpie here. We're gonna go down here, we're gonna mark the holes I need to drill out. Now, I already managed to drill this one out and bolted that one on, but for some reason my Sharpie didn't work too well in this back one, so I had to get a different Sharpie. Hopefully it's actually marking it. Like I said, this all's for the most part pretty free. I had this steel laying around from previous builds. The tractor I found on the side of the road. So, it's good stuff. Gotta find a different Sharpie. Eyeballing all this stuff. We only measure certain things. This is not one of them. This part of it's not what we measure. Let's make sure this bolt's tight. Different Sharpie this time. Hopefully this one works. Right. And I will tell you this, we are not professionals by any means. And there we go. There's our mark. So let's get them holes drilled. Yep, I know I suck at starting drills. Bam. Take the grinder, clean it up. See how she fits. And the other bolt that was laying around here. Tire's always in the way. How do we look? I mean, for the most part, even. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So that one's on there. There's our holes on that one. Grinder, clean them up. That. Oh yeah, we still need to waller it out. Hold on. Next, so these are bolted on. We're about a 1/16 of an inch lower on that side, but ain't no one gonna notice. This ain't professional. So, we're gonna have 5 inches stick out on each side, like that. And come over here, mark it with my broken Sharpie. My little stub of a Sharpie. Yeah, still works. Alright, now that's where we're cutting it. Adjust it a little bit. Like I said, we're eyeballing a lot of it. just using it to mow over trees or Russians, whatever comes first. All right, she's in there. So this is gonna go on like that. And then what we're gonna do, got a bunch of square tubing. We're gonna miter some corners. We're just gonna have a little hoop that'll come up, and then we're gonna do some cross bracing and stuff. I don't know, whatever we feel like doing. So first, what I'm gonna do, grind the ends of those down. So when we stick that angle on there, the angle will sit flat. There we go. Basically, just like that. You say we're gonna have about 5 inches stick out past the angle on each side. Something like that. And clamp over there. And then we'll get that tacked on there and weld it up. We got this mocked up. We ground some good metal to weld to, and we're a little slow when it comes to math, so it took us a little bit to figure out our angles we wanted. But basically, these are gonna get welded on the outside. There's gonna be a piece that gets dropped into the top, and then from there we're gonna maybe do some bracing like that. We're not sure yet, but we're gonna just get it all tacked up there and see what we like. Alright, so that's tacked on. Get that off of here. So what we're gonna do is, I don't really like the look of them flush, so we're gonna go in about 1 inch, I think. I like that better. I didn't really get any of that. Wow, I missed like it all. That's quality. We got our top piece cut, kind of clamped in there. I'm gonna tack them up, and then once we get that, then we'll figure out what we want to do with pieces on the inside. So. this is what we kind of got. These are just mocked up there. Those are gonna get welded in, and I gotta cut more angle. It's gonna go in the center, and then kind of toying with the idea, but we'll see once it's all welded up how strong it is. Alright, so this is gonna go in there, just like that. There we go. That's more like it. That. Centerpiece. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball. I can live with that. It may look off between here and there a little bit because those aren't perfect, so it is what it is. Yeah, so I'll get you guys set up and I'll start welding it all together. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're cutting some chain because I was like, it'd be pretty cool to have some toe shackles, but I don't feel like buying any. So we're gonna weld 2 loops on the front, something to hook a chain to. So that's what we're just cutting the chain out. 12 links. Like I said, they'll be looped like that, welded on the inside. So. So I'll show you guys if we want to come over here. We get welded on something like that. I don't know if I'll use them or not, but they'll look cool. So I'm gonna start off, I'm just gonna weld these back here. And I'm gonna pull the whole bumper off. That way I can get to all the joints and it will be nice and effective. But I just wanna get these welded just to help hold it because I don't want this closing in on me. So here I go. On beads, bro. You're right. Ooh. Nice. Should be it. So I'm just gonna grind all the ones on the front down. We should be mint. Uh-oh. She's a tight fit. You know? All done.